with this, your moment. Seize it, own it, mean it, show it, need it, surround sound.
Are you dreaming of having a slimmer face like this? This and this? Well, today is your lucky day, because I'm going to share with you some amazing tips on how to lose face fat. First, I'm going to talk about how to lose face fat, a common concern for many women who want to achieve a slimmer and more defined facial appearance. Face fat can be caused by various factors such as genetics, aging, hormonal changes, diet, and lifestyle. While you can't spot reduce fat from any specific area of your body, there are some effective ways to reduce overall body fat and tone your facial muscles. In this video, I'll give you a full guide on how to lose face fat, including diet, exercise, and lifestyle tips, as well as some complementary techniques like facial massage and facial yoga. If you're ready to transform your face and boost your confidence, keep watching. The first and most important step to lose face fat is to improve your diet. What you eat and drink has a direct impact on your body fat percentage, as well as your water retention and inflammation levels. Here are some diet tips to help you lose face fat. Cut down on processed and sugary foods. These foods are high in calories, low in nutrients, and can cause spikes in your blood sugar and insulin levels. This can lead to fat accumulation, especially in your face and belly. Instead, opt for whole, natural foods that are rich in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. These foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied, as well as support your metabolism and hormone balance. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential for your health and well-being, as it helps flush out toxins, regulate your body temperature, and transport nutrients and oxygen to your cells. Water also helps prevent dehydration, which can cause bloating and puffiness in your face. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, or more if you exercise or sweat a lot. You can also drink herbal teas, lemon water, or infused water to add some flavor and antioxidants to your hydration. Limit your alcohol and caffeine intake. Alcohol and caffeine are diuretics, which means they make you lose water through urine. This can dehydrate you and make your face look dry and dull. Alcohol and caffeine can also disrupt your sleep quality, which can affect your hormone levels and appetite. This can lead to overeating and weight gain, especially in your face. Try to limit your alcohol and caffeine intake to no more than 1 drink per day, or avoid them altogether if you can. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories, high in water and fiber, and packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These can help you lose weight, reduce inflammation, and improve your skin health and appearance. Fruits and vegetables also contain various vitamins and minerals that are essential for your facial muscles and bones. Try to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, and choose a variety of colors and types to get the most benefits. The second step to lose face fat is to exercise regularly. Exercise can help you burn calories, increase your muscle mass, and boost your metabolism. This can help you lose body fat, including face fat. Exercise can also improve your blood circulation, oxygen delivery, and lymphatic drainage. This can enhance your skin tone, elasticity, and glow. Do cardio exercises. Cardio exercises are any activities that raise your heart rate and make you breathe faster. These can help you burn fat and calories, as well as improve your cardiovascular health and endurance. Some examples of cardio exercises are running, cycling, swimming, dancing, skipping, or high-intensity interval training. Aim to do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week. You can also mix and match different types and intensities of cardio to keep your workouts fun and challenging. Do facial exercises. Facial exercises are any activities that involve contracting and relaxing your facial muscles. These can help you tone and sculpt your facial muscles, which can make your face look slimmer and more defined. Facial exercises can also improve your facial circulation, lymphatic drainage, and skin elasticity. Some examples of facial exercises are cheek puffs, lip pouts, jaw clenches, tongue presses, or eye rolls. Aim to do at least 10 minutes of facial exercises per day, and vary the exercises to target different areas of your face. The third step to lose face fat is to make some lifestyle changes that can support your diet and exercise efforts. Lifestyle factors can also affect your body fat percentage, as well as your water retention and inflammation levels. Here are some lifestyle tips to help you lose face fat. Get enough sleep. Sleep is vital for your health and well-being, as it helps your body and brain recover, repair, and rejuvenate. Sleep also helps regulate your hormone levels, appetite, and mood. This can affect your weight and fat distribution, as well as your facial appearance. Lack of sleep can cause hormonal imbalances, increased hunger, cravings, stress, and inflammation. This can lead to weight gain, especially in your face. Aim to get at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and follow a regular sleep schedule. You can also improve your sleep hygiene by avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and screens before bed, keeping your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet, and relaxing your mind and body with some meditation, music, or aromatherapy. Reduce your stress levels. Stress is a normal and inevitable part of life, but too much stress can have negative effects on your health and well-being. Stress can trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase your appetite, blood sugar, and fat storage. This can lead to weight gain, especially in your face. Stress can also cause tension, headaches, and facial expressions that can strain your facial muscles and make your face look older and tired. Try to reduce your stress levels by identifying and avoiding your stressors, practicing positive coping skills, and seeking social support. You can also use some relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or massage, to calm your mind and body. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the worst habits for your health and well-being, as it can cause various diseases and complications, such as cancer, heart disease, stroke, and lung damage. Smoking can also affect your weight and fat distribution, as well as your facial appearance. Smoking can reduce your oxygen intake, impair your blood circulation, and damage your collagen and elastin. This can lead to sagging, wrinkling, and discoloration of your skin. Smoking can also cause your facial muscles to contract and your lips to purse, which can create fine lines and wrinkles around your mouth and eyes. The fourth and final step to lose face fat is to use some complementary techniques that can enhance your diet, exercise, and lifestyle efforts. These techniques can also improve your facial appearance, as well as your skin health and quality. Here are some complementary techniques to help you lose face fat. Do facial massage. Facial massage is a technique that involves applying gentle pressure and strokes to your facial skin and muscles. This can help you relax and release tension, as well as stimulate blood flow, lymphatic drainage, and collagen production. This can improve your skin tone, texture, and elasticity, as well as reduce swelling, puffiness, and inflammation. You can do facial massage by using your fingers, a facial roller, or a gua sha tool. You can also use some facial oil, cream, or serum to lubricate your skin and enhance the massage effects. Aim to do facial massage for at least 5 minutes per day, and follow the natural contours and directions of your face. Do facial yoga. Facial yoga is a technique that involves performing various poses and expressions with your face. This can help you stretch and strengthen your facial muscles, as well as improve your facial circulation and lymphatic drainage. This can make your face look firmer, smoother, and more lifted. You can do facial yoga by following some online videos, books, or classes. You can also create your own facial yoga routine by combining different poses and expressions that target different areas of your face. Aim to do facial yoga for at least 10 minutes per day, and breathe deeply and slowly throughout the session. Adopt slimming hairstyles, makeup techniques, and accessories. Hairstyles, makeup techniques, and accessories are some simple and easy ways to change your facial appearance and create the illusion of a slimmer face. Here are some tips to help you adopt slimming hairstyles. Modern beehive. Lana Del Rey's modern beehive, with its height and loose curls, is a showstopper. While it's a bit more complicated to achieve, it's worth the effort. Wispy bob with bangs. Selena Gomez's wispy bob is universally flattering for all face shapes. Face framing layers. These layers follow the contours of your cheekbones and jawline, creating an instant hair contouring effect. Remember that sustainable changes in diet, exercise, and lifestyle are essential for long-term results. Be patient, stay consistent,